Want to run a powerful AI model like Llama 3 right on your own PC without paying any API usage? Today I'll show you step by step how to install Ollama, run Llama 3 locally and interact it with the Python in Jupyter Notebook. Ollama is a tool that lets you run LLMs locally on your machine. We will use Llama 3, a powerful language model trained for general purpose tasks. Now, running locally means no API keys, no internet dependency, and you can experiment freely without worrying about usage cost. Open your browser, go to this website, llama.com/download, and based on your OS, download it. I downloaded it and I installed it. Now, after I install, if I search for that app, the app will appear. You can open this app. This will be like a desktop app. You can choose the models from here. And for me, Llama 3 is not showing as download because I downloaded it, which I'm going to show you. But you can basically download the models here. Let's say once you download the model like this, you can choose the model and you can start typing. But this is just the interface. But this is not our primary work. In this video, we'll be setting up everything else to interact with the Python. And eventually we will build the chatbot of our own. Alright, I'm going to close this. What I did is I created a folder in this location. You can create wherever you want, and basically I'm going to open this location in the Visual Studio Code, and for that codespace will open that location. So here what we will do is we will do one by one. First, let's open up the new terminal. Before you do anything here, I believe you have already installed the Python in your local and Visual Studio in your local. If not, there's a dedicated video how to do it. Check out in the description. Now we are here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type Python-m. This is just an environment. We are going to create an environment with this, and this is going to run it. And you can see as I type this environment gets created here, right? All of the required things getting created here, which is fine. Now you need to activate this environment. So for that, under environment, under script, there is something called activate. I entered it, and if this works correctly, you see this, it's in the green color. Okay, so you are within this environment now. Now what we do, we come and click here. Now let's create a new file, and let's say I give a name and then I say IPYNB. This stands for Jupyter Notebook. Once I do this, it will come like this. So I'm going to reduce this, and you can see generate code markdown, and you can run all of those things, right? Click on code. We can copy paste this piece of code. So basically we're importing system, we're upgrading the pip to the latest one, and then we're installing the Ollama in the environment. I can run this like this, and I choose the environment and choose whatever is the right one. And then you see this ran. Now you can do like this, or you can do another way. The other way is basically what you do, you come to this terminal and you can run these two commands here. I'm going to give this in the code, so don't worry. So right now we have already run this, and if it prompts like this, just say install. You see this, whatever we are executing here is executing, and it will show you the results here, like the output window. Basically it takes few seconds, so let's wait for a few seconds to finish. Alright, so it took like 41 seconds, which is fine. Now what we do after that, we will open another code block like this, and here what we are going to do is we're going to copy paste a simple Python code. Basically the simple Python code is we are importing this Ollama, the model, and then we will use that API ollama.chat, and then we provide certain content, and once we have the response, like basically it's going to talk to the LLM that is installed in the local. If I run this, it can execute this and it can result the data here itself, like the response here. Alright, see, we got the response. So it's responding to our prompt. Okay, now you can do another one. Okay, all you do is go to this terminal and run the Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter, and then when you do this, This is a self-hosted server that will run, and then I'll show you how this looks in the browser. And you can see the file is here, and if I just double click, this is basically going to run the script that we added, right? Each script is called shell, and it is going to execute nicely and show it. Okay, so this is very important. Make sure you set up all of these things, and we will be start building the chatbot and so many AI related stuff without any cost. Everything is going to be free by using this model. Let's do that. What we can do is, the next thing is, you open this command prompt, and if you have not done the download, you can also install the Ollama here. And then in order to run this, right, all what you do is, so you come here and then say Ollama run and then the model name. So once you run this, see, it is already listening and it is asking something to interact with, and I'm asking tell me a joke. It's gonna respond to it. Because this is a pre-trained model, it knows about our channel. It is going to tell what it is. And see, I did not do anything. This is a pre-trained a general purpose model, so it is just telling what it knows about my channel. And sometimes it can hallucinate also. We do not have such things here. Anyway, this is how it works, guys. So I hope you have set up all of these things. Be ready for building AI chatbots and so many AI related applications. We will deep dive into each one of them going forward. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, hit on that like button, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!